Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a seed bed in Windrose. Now go over to your building mode right now and then press right click for you to choose over the farming right here. Now inside here you'll be able to find the seed bed. Now in case none of these are present inside your build mode, go over to your journal by pressing down J on your keyboard and then click to discovery, and over on the foothills section, hover over to the fertile soil. Once you've discovered fertile soil and are in the foothills region, you'll be able to unlock building elements, especially the seedbed right here. Now, for you to get to the foothills, you first have to defeat the local threat known as Thomas Richards. He's part of the main story, so you won't really miss him out. Alright, now once you have the fertile soil, go over to farming again, and then hover over to the seedbed right here. Now once you've placed your seedbeds, go back over to your building option and then hover any of these plants that you can make. Currently, I have some sweet potato seeds, so I'm going to place them down right over here. And if you are planting these seeds down, try to make the most out of the space that's provided for you. And there you go, this is pretty much my first farm and hopefully for you as well. And that's pretty much about it on how to make seed beds in Windrose.